Hello well-wishers and welcome to my channel Aspiring Minds. In today's video, you are going to learn about present tense. So grab your virtual seats and let's get started. First things first, in English grammar, we have three types of tenses: the past tense, the present tense, and the future tense. The past tense tells us about actions which have already occurred in the past. Present tense tells us about actions that are ongoing now. And future tense tells us about the actions that are about to take place in the near future. You will be a pro at present tense in just 3 simple steps with this picture study. Let's begin. Well, if I had to describe this picture, I would say the children enjoy themselves at the park every day. We could also say a boy and a girl are sitting on the branch of a tree. Third step, the boy has brought his dog for a walk. And did you realize in just 3 sentences we have already learned what are the types of present tense? Let's see how. The first type is simple present tense. It describes the habitual actions, general truths, facts, or actions that are happening right now. And how is the structure of a simple present tense? You use the word subject plus the base form of the verb. Here the subject could be I, it could be Ram, it could be Sita, anything. Okay, and along with that, you use the base form of the verb. For example, you could use play, eat, go, come, visit. Now let's try to understand what could be a habitual action. I could say, I play football every Saturday, or I go to school every day. These are habitual actions, things which are a habit, something that you perform daily. That, when you describe it, is simple present tense. And what are some of the general truths? The sun rises in the east. Or if someone is naughty enough and says, I do not do my homework. Okay, so these are some of the ways in which we can describe a simple present tense. Well, here are some more examples for you for simple present tense. I eat my breakfast at 7 a.m. every day. So it is a habit, it is a daily part of your routine. So therefore, it is a part of simple present tense. Next, children go to school by bus, right? So this is also something that is a daily occurrence for most of you who would avail of the school carpool or the school bus. You could use this sentence when you are having a conversation with your friend or with a family member. So this is how you can use simple present tense to describe your daily routine. Now let us move on to the next type, that is present continuous tense. Now this tense is used to describe actions that are happening at the moment of speaking or around the current time. It has started happening and it is still going on. That is present continuous tense. If I would go few days back and I would be describing the rover is still hovering around on the surface of the moon, right? So what is the structure that is used for the present continuous tense? You use the subject, along with that you use is, am or are, and the past participle of the verb plus the ing form. Don't get confused, we'll see how. If there are two boys and you are explaining it to your mother when you come back that I still want to play because my friends, they are playing football in the park. So then that is an example of present continuous tense. Here you use the to be form am, along with that you use the root verb play, to that you add ing, and therefore there you have it, present continuous tense. Now imagine that you are Rahul and your mother asks you to go and have a look at what your sister is doing and let her know. So you tell your mother she is reading a book in her room. Here we add the helping verb is, along with that the root word of the verb read plus you add ing. So therefore it becomes is reading. Let us now look at the next type, that is present perfect tense. Now this tense is used to describe actions that were completed recently or have a connection to the present. And the structure is the subject plus has or have and the past participle of the verb. Don't worry, we'll just discuss the examples to understand further. In this first example, from the picture I could say Jim has lost his car keys. Here, Jim is the subject. To that we add has. The past participle of to lose is lost. So therefore, the subject plus helping verb plus the past participle. So Jim has lost his car keys. Suppose you were telling your mother about your friend, and what would you say? Looking at the picture, he told me he has visited New York several times. You use has plus the past participle of the verb visit, which is visited. So these two words together form the present perfect tense. We now move on to the last and final type of present tense, that is present perfect continuous tense. Now this tense is used to describe actions that started in the past, continue into the present and may continue into the future. Don't worry, let's look at the structure now. subject, that is I or the name of any person, plus has or have, been, plus present participle verb plus ing. Let's see how. Now, having had a look at the picture, I could describe it as I'm tired because I have been working all day. Here, have been, and along with that, the present participle of the word work plus you add ing. So, have been working becomes an example of present perfect continuous tense. Last example for present perfect continuous tense. She has been studying for her upcoming examinations. So here it is has been plus study, that is the root verb, and to that you add ing because remember it is a continuous tense despite being a present perfect tense. So there you go, has been studying as a part of the example for present perfect continuous tense, and it's done. So in today's video, we learned that there are 4 types of present tense, that is simple present tense, present continuous tense, present perfect tense, and present perfect continuous tense. Do let me know in the comment section below if you became a pro at present tense or not. So that's it from this video. I hope you liked it. Do hit the like button, subscribe to my channel for more such future updates. Thank you for watching. Bye.